Welcome to the ultimate guide on acing your business analyst interviews using the STAR technique. Whether you're diving into the business analysis world for the first time or shifting gears from another job role, you're in the right place to transform your interview responses from good to outstanding. Hi there. My name is Sishi, and I've been where you are, eager to land that dream business analyst role but unsure how to shine in behavioral and situational interviews. Today, I'll walk you through the STAR technique, a powerful method to structure your answers clearly and impressively. Let's decode this secret together. STAR stands for Situation, Task, Action, Result. It's a storytelling framework that helps you share experiences effectively, showing not just what you did, but how you did it and the impact of your actions. Start with the situation. Set the scene for your story. Describe the context within which you performed a task or faced a challenge at work. Remember, details matter, but keep it concise and relevant. Next is the task. Explain the responsibility or challenge you were tasked with. Highlight the goal you needed to achieve. Now, dive into the action. This is where you detail the steps you took to address the task or solve the problem. Focus on what you did, showcasing your skills and initiative. Finally, cap your story with the result. Share the outcome of your actions, including quantifiable achievements and what you learned. This shows the value you brought to the team or project. Let's take a look at some examples of how to use the STAR technique in answering interview questions as an aspiring business analyst. Now, example number 1.
Can you describe a project where you had to gather and analyze requirements from multiple stakeholders?
At my previous company, we embarked on a digital transformation project aimed at streamlining our sales processes. The project involved multiple departments, including sales, marketing, and IT, each with its own set of expectations and requirements. As the lead business analyst, it was my responsibility to gather and consolidate requirements from all stakeholders to ensure the new system met everyone's needs without compromising on functionality or usability. I organized a series of workshops and one-on-one interviews with stakeholders from each department to understand their specific needs and pain points. To manage and analyze these requirements effectively, I used Microsoft Excel for requirement traceability and Visio to map out the processes that would be affected. I then collaborated closely with the IT team to translate these business requirements into technical specifications. Throughout the process, I ensured clear communication between all parties, resolving any conflicts or misunderstandings regarding the system's capabilities. The comprehensive requirements document I developed was instrumental in guiding the development of the new sales system, which was delivered on time and within budget. Post-implementation, we saw a 25% increase in sales productivity and a significant reduction in manual data entry errors. The project was hailed as a success, and my role in bridging the gap between business needs and technical solutions was particularly commended.
Example number 2.
Describe a situation where you identified a significant process inefficiency and how you addressed it.
While working as a business analyst for a logistics company, I discovered a significant inefficiency in our inventory management process that was causing delays in order fulfillment and increased holding costs. My objective was to analyze the current process, pinpoint the inefficiency's root cause, and implement a solution to streamline the process. I initiated the project by adopting an agile approach, setting up a cross-functional Scrum team that included members from the logistics, IT, and warehouse departments. We started with a series of sprint planning meetings to thoroughly understand the inventory management process and prioritize our tasks. Through iterative development and frequent retrospectives, we identified that manual data entry and verification were the primary bottlenecks. I suggested integrating a barcode scanning system with our existing ERP software to automate these tasks. To support my proposal, I utilized process mapping in Visio to visualize the current versus the proposed process, and I compiled a detailed business case outlining the time savings and error reduction benefits. This business case was then presented to senior management in our sprint review meetings. The implementation of the barcode scanning system, championed through our agile project management approach, resulted in a 40% reduction in order fulfillment times and a significant decrease in holding costs due to more accurate inventory levels. The project's success showcased the effectiveness of Agile and Scrum methodologies in fostering collaboration, adapting to changes, and delivering solutions that significantly improve operational efficiency. Furthermore, this initiative led to a broader adoption of Agile practices within the company, enhancing our overall responsiveness and flexibility in process improvement efforts.
Example number 3.
Have you ever had to present complex business analysis findings to a non-technical audience? How did you approach it?
After completing a complex market analysis to identify new business opportunities for expansion, I was tasked with presenting the findings to the board of directors, who had varying levels of familiarity with market analysis techniques. My goal was to convey the key insights and recommendations from their analysis in an understandable and compelling manner to facilitate strategic decision-making. To achieve this, I used PowerPoint to create a presentation that broke down their analysis into digestible segments. I incorporated charts and graphs to visually represent the market trends, competitive landscape, and potential areas for expansion. I avoided technical jargon, instead opting for simple language and storytelling to illustrate how our business could capitalize on these opportunities. Additionally, I prepared a one-page summary that highlighted the key points and recommendations for those who wanted a quick overview. The presentation was well received by the board, with several members commenting on the clarity and thoroughness of their analysis. The discussion that followed was productive, leading to a decision to pursue 2 of the recommended opportunities for expansion. My ability to effectively communicate complex information in an accessible way was recognized as a key factor in the board's decision-making process, leading to my involvement in future strategic planning sessions.
These tailored STAR responses highlight the key competencies and achievements of a business analyst, demonstrating the ability to gather and analyze requirements, improve processes, and communicate complex information clearly to facilitate business decisions.